Okay students, so I already explained the concept, so now I'm starting with the exercise. Okay, I'm starting with the exercise. First question I had already solved, and I told you to solve 2-3 questions, at least you should have tried. Okay, so now I'm starting with question number 1, fourth part. Okay, and we have to check whether it is quadratic or not. Okay, so question number 1, fourth part says x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. We have to check whether this is quadratic equation or not. Okay, we have to check whether this is quadratic or not. So starting with LHS. What is LHS? Left hand side. So we'll solve left hand side and we will solve RHS and then we will equate. Okay, so x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. So x into 2x plus 1 minus 3 into 2x plus 1. So I'm solving LHS with this left hand side. Okay, so this will be 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3. Okay, this minus 3 into 2. Okay, this you should know, it is very basic, students. So minus 3 into 2x, so minus 2x, minus plus minus 3. Okay, so this will be now 2x square plus x minus x. So minus sign plus minus minus sign of the letter minus. So minus 5x minus 3. Okay, now come to this RHS. Okay, this on the right hand side we have this x into x plus 5. So multiply this x into x, x square plus 5x. Now equate this, equal sign is there, so we will equate this LHS and RHS. So 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. This plus x square will go this side will be minus, and this plus 5x will go on this side, it will be minus. So 2x square minus x square minus 5x plus 5x will become minus 5x and minus 3. So 2x minus 2x plus minus minus. So x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this was the equation which we have got now. X square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0 when we are solving this. Okay, when we are solving this, okay, what are we getting? We are getting x square minus 10x minus 3. Now if you compare with the standard form, what was the standard form of quadratic equation? Don't forget, students, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we compare this with this. The highest degree of the variable is 2. Okay, so this it is there in this equation, that is why this is a quadratic equation. So answer is yes. Okay, question is asking whether this equation 1 is quadratic or not. Okay, so this is the way we will solve and we will check. So this is of course a quadratic equation. Okay, we followed, students, first fourth part. Now you should try next 2-3 questions, then I will solve more questions. Okay, 1 minute, students. So I'll tell you one more question, then I'll tell you other type questions. 1 minute. Okay, students, now see question number 1 and 7th part. Okay, question number 1, 7th part. What is the 7th part? It says x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Okay, now you have to check whether this is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, this is what the question is saying. Check whether it is quadratic equation or not. Okay, so we will start with LHS. So x plus 2 whole cube, left hand side, student. I hope everybody knows this LHS. Okay, left hand side. Where is the left hand? This side. So this is your left hand side. So x plus 2 whole cube. Okay, so what is a plus b whole cube, students? First, a plus b whole cube. Okay, what is a plus b whole cube? You are supposed to know this. Okay, still I am repeating, and next time I will directly solve the questions. Okay, this you studied in the previous classes. Anyhow, I am repeating. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. Alright, this is a plus b whole cube formula. You should remember this by heart. Okay, this is very important. A plus b whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. So now we will apply this here. So I am still repeating the previous concept. Now compare this with x plus 2 whole cube. So in place of x, you will write, in place of a, you will take x, and in place of b, you will take 2. So you can write this off, x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x into 2 into x plus, okay, so x cube, what is the value of 2 cube? 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, plus 8, 3 to the 6, 6x into x plus 2, which is equal to x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x. Okay, so x plus 2 whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus thrice a into b, so 3 into 2. Okay, alright, 3 into 2 x square plus 12x. Are you following, students? Okay, students, so this way we have got a plus b whole cube, that is x plus 2 whole cube. So, okay, another formula, what you can do is that you can take directly a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice b square a, whichever you want. If you remember this, well and good. So next time I will directly write. Okay, so you should remember this. Okay, a plus b whole cube, how we are applying the formula. Now what is on the RHS? So we will solve RHS. RHS stands for right hand side. So what right hand side we have 2x into x square minus 1. So solve this now, 2x into x square minus 1. So this will be 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, because this will be multiplied here, x into x square, then base is same, power will be added, so x cube minus 2x. Now we will equate LHS and RHS. What do you mean by equating? This means we will take LHS, it is given in the question, RHS is equal to RHS, we have to take this. Okay, we are solving first this, then we will solve this, and equate means we will put equal to sign. Okay, equate. So what was the first value we were getting? So from LHS we got x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, now we will solve this equation. Okay, let me change the markering so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, okay, 1 minute, students. I'll take it. Oh, perfect. Okay, now see this x cube here, I can take this x cube on the right hand side. Okay, this x cube I'm taking here, so this will be subtraction, so 2x cube, this plus x cube will be minus x cube minus 2x, this minus 2x as it is. Okay, this plus 12x, when it will come on the right side it will be minus, so minus 12x minus 8 minus 6x square plus minus minus, sign will get a plus, so x cube. Okay, minus minus plus, this will be minus 14x, right, minus 8 minus 6x square. Always remember, students, we will write the equation in the decreasing form. So this is the highest degree 3, then next will be 2. So we will write this, we will rewrite this equation as x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, now this is the highest degree. Okay, 3 is the highest degree of the variable, so this means it is cubic. If you remember, when I was explaining you polynomials, I have explained you various types. Okay, what is linear, what is quadratic, what is cubic. So this is the highest degree 3, so this means it is a cubic polynomial. It is not satisfying the standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus cy, because in quadratic the highest degree is 2, that is why it is quadratic, but here the highest degree is 3. So this means this equation which is given in the question, okay, whether it is quadratic or not, so it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, how did we know? We have to solve completely on all this. Okay, LHS and RHS and equate, and then we will solve this. Okay, this is the way we will check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Are you following? Okay, students, so in this way we have checked whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Okay, so keep this in mind, students. Okay, this is the how we have to check. You have to solve completely. You have to solve LHS. Okay, you have to solve LHS. You have to then solve RHS. Compare. Then finally, when we are equating, we are getting x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0. So if you compare with the standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax square, which is ax square plus bx plus 3. So that is why it is ax square plus bx plus c. So that is why it is not it is quadratic equation if it's satisfy this value, this standard form. Okay, if it's satisfies this standard form, then only it will be quadratic, and the highest degree should be always 2. But you see here in this is x cube. Okay, even if this term is not there, x square or 14x, but the highest degree of the variable is 3, that is cubic. So this is cubic equation, it is not quadratic equation. So in this way you will check. Okay, okay, I'll just show you the previous slide also. In that we have solved the other part one by students. Okay, so question 1 4th part we have finished. Okay, and question number 1 7th part. So in this way you will complete other questions, then I will start with the word problems. All the best students, study well.